guys, welcome back. My name is Ivan with Travel with Ivan. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the cool things that there is to do. Well, this is one of the coolest things to do here in Retiro. And I love coming here on the weekends. Today's a Tuesday. Keep in mind, this spot we're at, they're closed on Mondays. I will leave all the information of this location here in Retiro. Great spot to just come. They have a restaurant, which at this point it was closed for renovations, but they'll actually be open this weekend, which is great. But yeah, unfortunately the restaurant was closed today. It was closed for renovations. They will be open and functioning this week. So beginning of week of June, the restaurant will be open. And we're here at Tequendamita, and it's a waterfall here, as you can see behind me. And it has a restaurant as you walk in. It also has another little gift store, and it also has like fruits and souvenirs to buy. And it's just a great place to come and spend the afternoon. You don't have to eat at the restaurant. You can just come. Great for content creators. If you want to come and have pictures and videos taken in front of the waterfall, which, as you're going to see, we're going to do a nice little walkthrough and show you. It's a great place for content creators. So I'll leave all the information and how to get here and whatnot. There's also a video that I will shoot up here, and it's how to get to Retiro from Medellin, because you're gonna need that first part of the video to get to this part, because you'll need to switch buses. But so yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's see the whole location, show you everything, and yeah, all right, let's check it out. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave the location for this spot here in the description box below. Come check it out. If you're new to the neighborhood and you're looking for things to do here in Retiro, this is a great place to spend the afternoon, bring the family. Content creators, great place to take pictures and take videos. As you can see right behind me, beautiful, amazing waterfall. Has a great restaurant attached. So it's a great spot to come and spend the afternoon. I will leave the instructions how to get here. I have a video that I will put a link up here. It's how to get to Retiro, because you'll need to swap buses and take the one that's going to La Ceja, because this is a different route. But I'll have all that information in the description box below. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for all the new subscribers who have joined. And I'm looking forward to sharing some amazing video with you guys. All right, bye.